So recently I watched Mayor of Easttown, a series of 7 episodes created by Brad Inglesby for HBO. The series explores the dark side of a close community and provides an authentic examination of how family and past tragedies can define our present. There are several elements in this series which in itself require individual episodes, but in this video I will particularly focus on the element which stood out for me, dealing with the trauma. Here, Kate Winslet played the character of a woman named Mare, grounded down by life after loss of a son to drugs and suicide, the consequent divorce from her husband, and raising of her grandson in the face of a custody battle with his mother. The two ways she approaches the trauma was first, setting up a goal that serves a higher purpose. Here, instead of dwelling on her problems and self-pity, she took a higher road and stood up for a society which was going through a horrendous series of crimes. This helped her to take off her mind from her internal conflicts, but most importantly, helped her society become a better place. Second, grieving. Mare finds herself incapable of mourning her son Kevin's untimely death by suicide, essentially because she feels responsible for it. Only after being forced to see a therapist, she went through a healing process essentially through grieving. This process was an important part of the journey which led her to develop compassion for herself and others. What I feel is it is very easy to crumble down in the face of chaos and not feel responsible for others. But takes some real courage to keep one's value intact and do what is right when everything around you goes horribly wrong. And to keep doing that from time to time, one needs to keep his sanity in check, and thus making this both the approaches one of the better ways one can adopt in his life to deal with the trauma, which Mayor of the Easttown beautifully depicts.